back to my channel. We're starting a new vlog today. Today is Thursday. Just had my morning meeting. I'm about to have another one in 5 minutes, but I wanted to start a vlog for this weekend. Maybe we'll vlog the weekend. I have plans tomorrow. Not sure really what my plans are Saturday yet. I possibly have plans Saturday. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out today. This week, I was in the office twice. That was different for me. It's weird, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I know it's good for me to like go into the office and like be around like humans, you know what I mean? I feel like I realized working from home and like only talking to like select few people for like days on end makes me lose my communication skills with other humans. Like, I'm like, wait, how do I do this again? Which sounds crazy because it's like, come on, be real. But I'm like, no, like actually that's like not good. So I'm like, okay, I need to like not. But it also makes me realize that I appreciate working from home way more. But yeah, so I went to the gym this morning. I don't think it's supposed to be super warm out today, but definitely nice enough for me to sit on the deck and just sit in the sun. Okay, I need to hop on this meeting. Actually just totally forgot I was vlogging today. Okay, you didn't miss much. I just put a mouthful of food in my mouth when I started this video. I've had meetings all morning, came down, made myself some avocado toast. We don't have any eggs, which I really would have loved today, but it was fine. So I made myself some avocado toast and then some yogurt with granola. I'm sitting outside. I mean, it says it's like 57, which it is a little chilly, but with the sun just blaring, there's like not a cloud in the sky. And you know what? I feel like it's the perfect weather where like my laptop isn't gonna like overheat out here in the sun. Are you hands up? Okay, psych. My laptop is definitely overheating. Can you hear it? Yeah. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I just bought this sweatshirt and it's literally been the only thing I've been wearing. Like this has been the only thing I've been wearing. I wish I was lying to you, but I'm not. That's the thing with me, like you'll know I like something because that'll probably be the only thing you'll see me wear, do, use for a while. I got it from Abercrombie. They were having like a sale, and this girl I follow, she gets a lot of, my hair is not turning out how I want it to turn out. Hold on. I need to move to a different area so I can actually see what I'm doing. This girl I follow, she always wears this Abercrombie sweatshirt. And I was going through her stuff and I was like, wait, that sweatshirt first off looks so cute. Second off, looks so comfy. I need it because I've been looking for another like staple oversized sweatshirt that I can wear. I'm not gonna make this perfect today because I just don't care. The thing is, I just, you know, this is gonna be a staple. Like, I just know it's gonna be a staple. I'm just like, you know what? I don't really care how much it is because I will wear it till I probably shouldn't wear it anymore and I'll still be wearing it. Kind of like with my skeleton sweatshirt that I'm sure you guys have seen me wear a billion times. So I will link it down below. They had other colors. I kind of wanted this brown that they had, but it was sold out. So I might straighten a few of these pieces. This is the best angle you're getting right now. I have no clue where I left off with y'all, but I'm pretty sure I lied to you. You know what? I give up today. I am just giving up. I said I was gonna vlog my weekend and I just did not. I totally did not. I don't really know what to tell you. You know what? To be honest with you, I just sometimes don't feel like whipping out a my phone.
Police reported ahead.
Oh. Okay. BRB. yeah, sometimes it's just not the vibe to like be pulling out my phone and be like, you know what I mean? Like, it makes me uncomfortable sometimes. I'm heading into work on a Monday, which is just terrible, to be honest with you. So that's what I'm doing right now. This weekend though, I went to Target and I did some damage. I did some damage at Target and I got some really cute freaking shit. So I will, when I get home, I will probably, maybe, possibly show you guys what I got from Target. I just want to apologize that I lied to you guys, and that was all. Okay, I'm gonna pop in here and finally give you guys my little Target haul, and I haven't even tried it on yet. It's just still sitting in the bag. So first thing that I got, I wore already, so there's deodorant on it. Just one of these little rib tanks. I have one already in like a pinky shade, and I wear it all the time, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get this basic black one. It was like $8 or something. I saw these shorts, which I also have already worn. Fun fact about me is that I leave tags on when I wear clothes. If I don't wear them out and I'm just walking around my house, I'm like, well, I guess I'll just try this on. So I'm like, well, if I don't like it, it's going back. So we're leaving the tag on, but I did like these. The color, are we kidding? So cute. These were only 16 bucks. So comfy. Obsessed. Then I saw these shorts. They're from the Universal Thread brand, and I really like the jeans that I have from this like Target brand. They're the high-rise vintage straight short. The length seemed really good. I don't like super short shorts. I think when I wear jean shorts in summer, I want to be comfortable. Like, I don't want to be like, ugh. You know when you sit down in jean shorts and you're like, ooh, like this is not comfortable. Didn't even try them on. I hope they're good, but they look really cute. Only 22 bucks. Like, I'm like, you know what? We'll just buy it and we'll brag that they're good. Oh my god! Then this, so freaking cute as like a little cover up, or even like I was thinking like to the bar if you wear like a bralette or something under it and you throw this on. Oh my god, so cute! I'm obsessed. 23 bucks. How is that top $1 more than jean shorts? It's kind of weird. I got this little white tank. If you watched my closet clean out, I had one similar to this and it just got like old and raggedy, and this was literally $5. So I'm like, perfect. I can wear this all the time, wear this underneath things. Oh, and then, can you tell I love this blue color? I saw this one. It's a similar style, but it's more of like a ribbed, like, what's this material called? Spandexy, kind of. And it was only 12 bucks. Oh, I got a pair of work pants, which they're hanging in my closet already because I've already worn them. They were like 32 bucks or something. I can always go for like some more work clothes. So maybe I'll pop a picture of them on the screen, but already worn them. Oh my god. Guys, the bathing suit section. Now, I don't know if it was just the Target that I was in, but it was huge. Huge. It had so many bathing suits. And I was like, you know what? We're gonna get a suit. I picked out like a few, and then I was like, okay, we're just gonna get one today because I'm already getting too many things. But this one, guys, tell me this isn't, are we kidding? This color, are you kidding? And then it has like a little gold butterfly in the middle, which like not usually something I would like love, but I just love how it looks with the style of the suit. With the ribbed, this suit you could pick like different size top from bottom. It was only $18 for the top. What did I get? Did I get a medium? I got a medium because I was like, okay, this seems like, you know, I don't want it to be like I'm wearing like full coverage, but you know what I mean? Like I want it to still be like cute, but yeah. So that, the bottoms are small. Just look like that. They look like they'll come up a little higher on the side, which I kind of like. And then the back didn't seem too full coverage. When bottoms have the stitching like this and it's full coverage, it literally looks like, I don't know, I feel like it makes your butt look like saggy and like not cute, and it like cuts in at the wrong. I cannot wait. Can you tell I was loving the bright colors? Oh, I also got this candle, but I'm lighting it right now, but it smells so good. And then today I just got something in the mail from Amazon. It looks like that, but then on the sides it like cuts. So I was thinking this with like those Target jeans that I always wear. They're kind of a little low rise depending on if I've washed them recently or not. Cannot wait for it to actually be nice out. Now I can finally put these away because I've been leaving them in the bag so that I remember to show you guys. It's a new day. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup right now because I feel like it, and we're gonna do it together. Because I realized that, I think a lot. Like, I don't know, I feel like I haven't shown you guys and like talked about the makeup products I use, but also today I'm not doing that. So maybe that's for a different video. I am just gonna do really, really light makeup, just to like feel a little bit put together. I already put on my Tan Luxe illuminating face drops. I love these things. This thing, it comes in like a little dropper tube. I used to mix it with my moisturizer, but honestly, this itself is like pretty moisturizing, so I don't mix it anymore. Yeah, these are in medium dark if you're wondering, and it just kind of darkens throughout the day. The weather here in New Jersey was nice for like a week and a half, and then it just turned to shit. Your girl hasn't gotten enough sun yet, so I like to feel bronzy at all times. If you're a self-tanner girl, or if you love to look bronzy all the time, you will need that. Like, you'll love it. What I'm gonna do for right now is just use some of my Merit complexion stick or whatever it's called, and just put a little bit under my eyes because this is really like light. And should we do just a little bit on my pimple? I have this like pimple that's like under the skin, one of those, you know. I think that's all I'll do for that. And then should we use our finger? Yeah, I'm gonna use my finger. The warmth of your fingertips blend out like stick products really well. Today I wasn't sure if I was going to be in the office or working from home because I have to do end of month, and the end of the month is on a Sunday, so I was like, I don't know what day, like, you know, they want me to do it. I asked my boss and he said just to come in and do it on Wednesday. Do I want to do cream contour? I don't even want to really do cream contour. No, we're not going to do cream contour. I'm using the It Cosmetics Bye Pores Illumination Radiant Translucent Powder. I usually just use this one under my eyes because it is really brightening. The time that we end work is 5:30, and like 5:30, like the day is like over at that point. So when you're done with work, you just feel like there's nothing, like there's no more energy left in me for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna use the Merit Beauty Beverly Hills cheek color. It's a really pretty color. It seems like I'm only using Merit Beauty, but this is the only brand of cream products that I have, so that's what we're using. I also really love their stuff, as you guys know. It's just kind of nice that I worked from home today because I can go to the gym in the morning, which is like really like good for me. Maybe we'll put some up here actually. We're just gonna take the Merit Beauty Highlighting Balm in Bounce, which I used. I think I'm just gonna go like this. I felt so illegal to swipe that on my face like that, but I'm really not using barely any powder, so it won't really mess anything up. I really should wash my makeup brushes, but I keep putting it off, and I don't know why, because I'm like, you really should. I can't even remember the last time I've done it. So I don't even think I'm gonna do mascara. I'm not. Fun fact, I don't ever curl my lashes. The only time I curl my lashes is when I'm not wearing mascara. And I just want them to look like long, you know? So I only do it when I'm not wearing mascara. I used to curl them like in high school, and I used to curl them after I put on my mascara. Whoa, I feel like I just rolled my eye back in my head. Which I know is like a no-no because you could rip your eyelashes out, but no. Like I had like a routine down, so like I knew it wasn't gonna happen. And then we're just gonna top our lips off. I got this new Milani Supercharged Citrus Lip Mask. It's basically like their dupe for the Laneige. It is so good. It smells like citrus. It has turmeric in it, and the ingredients were like really good, but it literally, it feels just like the Laneige lip mask. You guys know I love that lip mask, and this was like $8. And yeah, so now I have to send out a few emails, some follow-up emails. Gotta love follow-up emails. It's so fun. Posted a few reels on Instagram today. Try to like keep up with posting when I work from home, because when I'm in the office, I obviously am not posting. So posted some shorts. I actually really like posting YouTube shorts. YouTube is like it's my love. Like it's my first love, you know? So I enjoy my YouTube fam. So any way that I can grow my YouTube fam, that's all that matters to me. Let's get back to work. In the car on my break right now. The lighting is kind of terrible. Just need to get out on my break. There's actually a Target. I looked up, there's a Target like less than 5 minutes away, but I don't really feel like even like driving and going there right now, but that's kind of good to know. I had some of my lunch inside, but then I was like, you know what, no, I need to get outside, like even if it's just sit in my car and watch some YouTube. I also needed to get gas, so I was like, you know what, I'll just get gas on my break, because later when I leave there's gonna be traffic and like so many people on the road. I'm like, you know what, I might as well just go get gas now and then I can chill. My outfit this morning, I was really struggling because your girl has not taken out any of her summer clothes yet, so I have like nothing. Just have sweaters and like these little like light turtleneck type of tops. I'm wearing this. Doesn't exactly match. I just don't care. I'm wearing my black loafers, so it matches with the black top. But like, yeah, it looks cuter. See, it's not bad. It's not bad. But yeah, this top is from Target. This is from Amazon, and then my pants are Gap. And my shoes are from Amazon, but they're 9 West. You can find them on like Macy's, Nordstrom. So that was it. Just wanted to update you guys. Okay, well, I'm gonna go finish my break, aka finish watching my YouTube video, and then I'll be back later, maybe. We'll see.